Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing chicken, kale and bean soup. Guys, this soup is so easy to make, but it is packed full of amazing flavor. Talk about the perfect comfort food. So good. So if you want to learn how to make it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, don't forget to like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below and subscribe to my channel. So to make this soup, the first thing you'll need will be some shredded chicken. I'm using some leftover chicken that I had in my fridge. You can use whatever meat you have. And you'll need some mushrooms, cannellini beans, onions, garlic, and some habanero pepper for some heat, roasted bell peppers, and you need your kale. And of course, you'll be needing your chicken stock. So I'm going to start first by melting some butter in a pot, and I'll use that butter to cook my mushrooms. So I'm giving the mushrooms a head start because the mushrooms cook slower than the onions and the garlic. So I'll cook the mushrooms for about 2 minutes until it begins to get soft, and then I'll add my onions, cook it for another 2 minutes because I want to make sure to caramelize the onions without burning them. So just make sure you keep turning it so nothing sticks to the pot and nothing burns. So after about an extra 2 minutes of cooking the onions, I am gonna go ahead and add my garlic. So it takes just about 1 minute to get the garlic to cook and to cook out the raw flavor of the garlic. So once you have that cooked out in about a minute, it will be time to go ahead and add my chicken stock into the pot. So once I have my stock in there, I'm adding my shredded chicken and my cannellini beans. So guys, today I'm using regular canned cannellini beans. You can use any other kind of white beans that you find, but I love cannellini beans. It is so creamy and amazing. So I'm adding my habanero pepper. I'm adding it whole because I just want it to release some heat, but not the entire heat. Okay, so you don't have to blend it or chop it up. Just add it in there. Then after cooking, you can just take it out. So I'm also seasoning with some freshly cracked black pepper and some salt, and I'm gonna cover this and let it simmer on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after about 15 minutes, I'll add my roasted bell peppers and my kale, and I'll also season with some dried dill. Give it a really good stir, cover it again, and let it go for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. And after that 10 to 15 minutes of simmering on medium heat, my soup is done. Literally done. I'm telling you guys, it takes just about 30 minutes to get this delicious soup, and it's amazing the flavors that get developed in such a short time. So good. So this is what it looks like in the end. Amazing. It smells so divine. You need to try it, guys. You really need to try this one. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just squeeze some fresh lemon onto the soup. This is gonna brighten up all that flavor and make it taste amazing. I'm also garnishing with some dried dill, and then it's time to taste it. This soup tastes so good. Like I said, it's amazing how much flavor I was able to develop in less than 30 minutes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and support a sister, okay? And like this video, share this video with your friends and your family, and leave comments in the comment section down below. I love you guys. See you all in the next video.